POAI stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Predictive Oncology, it's down quite a bit, honestly. Like, it is 23% down, which is a big jump. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, spent thousands of correct predictions up on my YouTube channel, you know, and I've called out thousands of correct predictions on my YouTube channel for free. And looking at POAI, like, what the hell is going on with me? Am I dyslexic? No. But yeah, I'm still looking to double down on POAI. Why do I look to double down? Because it's still a bearish range. And it's not like I have not seen this happen thousands of times. I mean, I'm not even trying to exaggerate. I've made 36,000 videos. So specifically looking at POAI, it either starts breaking above 290 or beneath 120 for me to determine my bias. But for right now, it's just a no man's land. Where we're in right now, it's just a land that I'm not willing to touch. So I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.